This 2010 Caravan is the fancy SXT model and has a complete lowered floor mobility conversion by industry leader Braun. It also has the rare and very desirable XT package, which creates several extra inches of entry clearance and interior headroom. This results in the most entry clearance and interior headroom of any minivan wheelchair van ever created. Let's take a look. Thank you for watching. Please call, text, or email with any questions.